A group of teachers, faculty. A group of stars, galaxy. A group of friends, circle. A group of sharks, shiver. A group of lions, pride. A group of actors, casts. A group of judges, panel. Point out, indicates. Come over, visits. Let down, disappoints. Pick out, choose. Show up, appear. Get away, escape. Back up, supports. Hangouts, socialize. Take over, control. Break down, fail. Run off, leave quickly. Run over, exceed time. Run through, review quickly. Run into, meet unexpectedly. Run along, go away. Run up, increase debt. Run down, lose power. Run across, find by chance.